Navigating the language landscape. Rocky terrain ahead. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, rocky terrain ahead. This expression is not just about geography. It's a powerful metaphor used in various contexts. Stay with us as we unpack its meaning, usage, and how it can enrich your English communication skills. First, let's break down the phrase to its literal meaning. Rocky refers to an area filled with rocks or stones, which can make it difficult to travel through. Terrain is a term used to describe a stretch of land and its physical features. When we say ahead, we're talking about something that is in front of us or coming up. So, when we combine these words into the phrase, rocky terrain ahead, we're literally talking about a challenging, rocky stretch of land that lies before us. More interestingly, rocky terrain ahead is often used metaphorically. In this sense, it warns of challenges or difficult times that lie in the future. It's a versatile expression that can be applied to personal situations, business contexts, or even in discussions about social and political issues. For example, if someone says, "We're expecting rocky terrain ahead in the next quarter," they're indicating that they anticipate challenges in the business environment. To help you better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. Given the economic uncertainty, we should prepare for rocky terrain ahead. The team has done well so far, but there's rocky terrain ahead with the tougher matches coming up. After her surgery, she knew there was rocky terrain ahead, but she was ready to face the challenges. These examples show how the phrase can be used to talk about future difficulties in various scenarios. When using rocky terrain ahead, it's important to contextualize the phrase properly so your audience understands the type of challenges expected. Pair it with constructive advice or action plans to overcome the anticipated challenges. Use it to express empathy or understanding of a difficult situation, showing support for someone facing challenges. We hope this exploration of the phrase, rocky terrain ahead, has been enlightening. It's a vivid expression that adds depth to our communication, allowing us to talk about future challenges in a nuanced way. Whether you're navigating the literal rocky terrains of language learning or the metaphorical ones in life, remember that understanding and using such expressions can make your journey much more enriching. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to guiding you through more fascinating aspects of the English language in our upcoming videos.